I'm gonna shoot the big ones in the back. Well, actually, I'll just go through the middle first.
All right, got you through the middle.
That's a hit, right?
Yeah.
Far left.
Okay.
Fuck.
Impact. Push right. Time starts now.
All right, that gun's empty. All right, there's that one.
Look at this shitty rain here.
All right, Alan.
Stage two, stage two, stage two. I'm going to stage
Good
two.
boy. Good boy. Just
All right.
move on.
Time starts now.
Coming far right.
Far right. Impact.
3.4. Where the
55
fuck?
seconds.
How much?
55 seconds.
Dude, I can't even see. All I saw was lots of rain dots. Grab all this shit. Da, da, da.
Impact.
Shit.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, you got 38 seconds.
Oh, I was...
Get those ARs.
That was 3-gun time. I thought I was gonna eat shit running down the hill.
Yeah, I was waiting for that.
You like that, Bill, didn't you? I look.
You just tore ass down there.
I'm always trying to be ready, right?
First round impact. First round impact. Impact.
All right, that's it.